Welcome to Open Door for Parents. I'm Dr. Eileen. Some kids feel very self-conscious when they get a compliment. They might even argue with the compliment giver, saying, it's not that good, and then listing all their flaws. They might think they're being modest, but arguing insults the compliment giver's taste. Explain to your child that a compliment is like a little gift. What do we say when someone gives us a gift? We say, "Thank you." That's the polite thing to do. You can practice this by role-playing with your child. So you could say, "I like your shirt," and your child could respond, "Thank you." "Nice job coloring your poster." "Thank you." "Great catch." "Thank you." That's all your child has to say in response to a compliment.